Yo, what's up, Haldy? What's up, Jake? What's up, guys? Sorry, I'm getting some stuff set up. Hey, Alan Kramer. Good morning. I feel like I haven't seen you in a while. Strudel, good morning. Yopi, good morning. Yeah, Lucid. Yeah, I recently started working on my Lucid accounts again. So yes, I am a fan of Lucid, but I haven't gotten a payout from them yet. So I haven't really worked with them too much, but hopefully I can get a payout from them sometime next week. And yeah, I'll let you know how that goes. But I am a fan of Lucid, especially with, honestly, like Top Step's Top Step's kind of dropping the ball lately. So yeah, I'm a fan. I think if you're gonna go with any prop firms, you should probably just stick with probably like Lucid, Tradeify, maybe Apex, Alpha, and maybe My Funded Futures. And honestly, I mean, Top Step's still not bad, right? But they are kind of cracking down. I don't know if it's because they're starting to become like get short on cash. Like I don't know. I don't know what it is, but they're definitely like they're doing a lot of risk management at their firm. So they're cracking down on profitable traders. They are they raise prices, etc., etc. So the only rule on Lucid 2K is loss of 50K on PA account. It depends on what account. I would only really trade the Lucid Flex, in my opinion. If you trade the other ones, like I think the Black and the Pro are okay if you're adding to a collection of fundeds, because they have consistency on them. So if it's like you're only trading one account, I would probably just trade the Flex. But if you're trading like 10 plus or 5 plus accounts even, I would probably, yeah. You guys, I'm working on a new thumbnail. What do you guys think? That's too fun. Alrighty. What time is it? 6:11 or 9:11? Alright, let's go over the charts. I took a quick look at this kind of when I woke up, and it's almost looking like it's doing a Bart Simpson's, you know what I mean? Like, I think this might just end up dropping everything we got from yesterday. That's like 400 points too, so we look like on the daily. You got this gap to fill on the daily. We just filled this gap like to the T, right? Like, I wouldn't think we'd come down and fill it right away, but just the fact that we're kind of showing a bearish distribution pattern right now, I think we might actually come down and fill it before we go back up. Something like that, or maybe even that. Yeah, we'll see, but it's kind of hard to think we just go straight up, although it's possible. Yeah. So that's my current idea. We're just unable to break. What level is this? It's like 400, right? So 400 is probably gonna be a key level for us. Let's set that at 400. Set it as key level. Yeah, I mean, we get a lot of touches at 400, right? Bunch of touches here. Bunch of touches here. So I'm expecting us to fill this, but that really does not mean that we can't just range around for another day. Just stick in this this range. This range isn't too bad though. It's like a 150 point range. It's not terrible. It's like it's tradable. It's not great, but yeah, I think personally I'm gonna fish shorts at the top of the range, but I probably won't fish longs at the bottom. I might if it looks like really nice, but I'm looking for shorts to hold, and if I do end up holding or getting in a long, I'll probably just take it off at the top of the range. And if we end up breaking out either side of this range, then yeah, I mean, just play the break out of the range. So I am going to mark these. It's your range high. Oh, my bad, Jake. I didn't realize I wasn't sharing on Discord. Give me a second here. Alrighty. My bad, guys. I didn't realize I wasn't streaming on Discord. 15 minutes till market open. Alright, let's mark out some levels. Get my trading view. Oh, music. I feel like we're missing something. Alrighty, guys. Let's try to get to 150 likes today on the stream. That's the goal. That's the goal of our stream, and we'll do a Lucid account giveaway. Give away a free 50k Lucid Flex. And yeah, we got more accounts to give away. So if you can get to like 200 likes today, we'll give away more accounts, like 2-3 accounts. And yeah, we'll be running the giveaway every day this week. So potentially give away like 15 accounts this week if you can get to like 200 likes every day. You got Diddy wigged? Oh, by this. Yeah, I think that was what was it today? There was news today. Nice. Sitting in that long Caldi. Good stuff, man. Like 80 points up. Yeah, I mean, there's absolutely a possibility we just break out of this range at market open. That's possible, but I'm personally definitely looking short here. Alrighty. So Asia high. What are the importance of Asia high and lows for NQ? Well, it's where a certain market opens, right? Or not opens, but where the majority of traders like came to the consensus during Asia session that Like this is support and this, or this is resistance and this is support, right? For Asia high and Asia low. So during that session, you can just think of it as that is where a lot of orders are placed. Like many people went short here during Asia, and many people went long here during Asia. So it just high confluence. I look at it in terms of volume, probably just a lot of volume there. So whenever it comes back down to a level, I'm just assuming that we're gonna get some sort of support resistance due to the amount of orders there, just volume. Got 9 minutes till market open. Guys, I'll be right back real quick. I'm gonna grab some more energy. Be right back. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Levi. Do I think long or short? I was short biased here. I would say I am short biased here. But if we break out of the range, then I'll be long. Honestly, this previous hour candle is pretty convincing of a long with this this wick. It's like a 50-point wick, pretty much. So I'm not opposed to a long, but I definitely want to look for shorts in this area. I have a key level marked out at 393 on my top step chart, which is kind of right where we're bouncing off of. All right, market opens in a minute. This look like on the 5. That could fall. You know, oh shoot, I just realized, oh man, I did all this marking on Nasdaq. Does this work? I don't think that worked. That's unfortunate. Alrighty. I'm gonna actually get in. Oh shit. Oh man. A little unfortunate. I almost entered in 3 minis. That was that would have been terrible. Man. If this came up a little further, I would have wanted to enter that short. I'm gonna come up to this base. My cam is out of focus. I don't know how to do this. I feel like a mukbang streamer. Alright, there it is. Bro, why are you looking at me? Don't look at me, bro. I'm shy. Alrighty. Oh, it did come up to this level. This is where I want to look short. I should have set a limit. Dang, market's so confused right now. Yeah, I wish I should have entered here. Damn, that's a little unfortunate. Would have been like 40 points up. We'll be the stop here. Alright, I'm gonna try joining here. I didn't join with too much. Dang, I really don't like how much I'm risking on that. Alright, whatever. We're in 3 micros. We might build this position up, but pretty much I'm just aiming for... Yeah, these aren't even the right levels. This is quite unfortunate. I did all my charting on NQ instead of the micros. Alright, well, I'm just gonna pray this doesn't take me out. I'll like chart up. Range high. I believe this was range low. Range low. This was Asia high. This was Asia low, right? Asia low. London high. London low. I'll just mark these up for now. Alrighty, and we are aiming for this low here. No, we're aiming for, we're honestly aiming for Asia low, but we could definitely consider writing this down if it wants to continue going down, that is. I would say the market doesn't really have a good direction right now. And this is really, really choppy, but I do still like this going down. Probably just hold on to this. Small caps are blasting? Oh, interesting. So we're right on VWAP here. VWAP's like, that's exactly where we took a bounce off of VWAP, so. I want to see us flip. Can we flip VWAP here? All right, we got a 5-minute close. 5-minute close. Fairly bearish. It's a nice top wick on the 5. I'm still liking the short. But market is kind of undecided, man. Yeah, I'm assuming rotation here through value. And if you get rotation through value, we're hitting at least like 323. 323, so around these lows. So I might actually end up taking most of my position off here and see if we can write a contract down. Rejection off value. This is a value area high. That would have been a good ad, to be honest. I should have probably added there. There's a lot of confidence to adding there. It's a base, top of value area high, and let's call this, we're having bearish distribution. All right, TP1 smashed. Let's go, guys. We're auctioning below value. This is dropping. Maybe it is a Bart Simpson's, guys. So we might get like 400 points here. We'll end up adding to this if it actually ends up breaking out. Or not adding, like just re-entering a short if it ends up breaking out of the range. But I think the likelihood that we bounce off the bottom of the range is equally there. So I do want to get off my full position here. I don't know if it's really worth trying to hold it all the way down. But we could possibly. All right, we're at range lows. That's a fairly bearish close. I think we're going down further. Let's go, guys. Good stuff. Hit a 100-point banger right when we wake up. That's what we're talking about. Except with 3 micros, I was like 60 points. Nah, I really wish I entered up here. Bro, it's fixing my camera, man. Feels bad. I couldn't enter a big position either. I would have entered like way more micros. Like 5-10 micros if I was up here. It would have been like at least like 1,200 bucks. But green is green. We'll take it, guys. Trim my stop. I don't want this yoinking on me. Alright, stopped out, guys. That's fine. I think we can equally see a bounce here off of range lows. But with that said, I'm still short biased. So we'll see if we can fish out another short. Oh shoot, is my copy trader on? It is, let's go. I'd be interested short at Asia high here. It's either that or this just falls over right now. Nice. All right, that's Asia low and London low. Do we get yoinked off that? Nice. I want to short this, but I'm waiting for candles to close. So we just took the low of the range, the macro low of the range. Just Yeah, I think this is gonna run, guys. Got a level here. Let me mark out some. Interesting. We're right back at value. That's rejection off value. It's hard to think we get accepted back in already. But it's not impossible, right? I'm gonna get in a short here. I'm in 3 micros. I'm not convinced. That's like decent rejection off value. I don't think price wants to auction back in just yet. So I think we're gonna see some lower prices before we get a bounce, in my opinion. But if we do come up and start getting accepted back in value, we can consider that long. Yeah, we got a lot of levels down here. Key level here. See if we can aim for that. Ooh, almost took my stop. Interesting. We'll see. Maybe we do have buyers. But I'm still more inclined to think that we're short here. go. I'm gonna get more in. Nice. I'm dropping this break even. Even if this snaps back up at me, I don't want to lose any money on this, so. I would say 167 is gonna be my target, but we'll see if we can. I don't know, we'll see what we get. 67, yeah, around 167. But I think the chance that this can yoink is there too, so just kind of controlling risk. It's looking like supply buildup to the downside, so I think we get, ah dang. I was hoping we get a big move down, but stopped out. No worries. Yeah, this is why, like, I don't want to lose any money on it. It's not worth it. Yeah, I had my copy trader on. I mean, accounts are up 200. Unfortunate. I'm not really convinced on the long yet. Couldn't break it on the 5. We are getting auctioning within value. Longs aren't looking bad. We just flipped VWAP. So I'm kind of looking long here, but I want to get at least a 5-minute candle close above VWAP for me to consider taking longs. But that bottom wick is pretty nice on the hourly, 30-minute, and 15-minute. We're right at the top of value. So value already moved down. It's like this right now. If we can get above it, I'd probably consider looking at longs here. I think even looking at longs now is fine, but I don't want to enter right here if in case we come back down to VWAP. Longs are looking nice. Can you break above? Let me take a look at the 4-hour chart. If we are bullish today, we are taking out the levels. Probably 514 is where right. I would expect these highs to get taken out for bullish today. So I think we definitely were bearish on that initial move, but looks like we just swept Asia low, London low, and we're on our way up. Let's wait and see. I think this area is gonna be pretty crucial, right? We did set a lower low, so we could set that higher or lower high and come back down. So we gotta see how buyers and sellers react here. If we're able to consolidate and move up, then absolutely I can see these levels taken, and that's gonna be another like 120 points from where we are. We're still within the range, guys, so it could be a little iffy longing it here at the top of the range. So we definitely want to see a solid breakout, but this push-up was pretty convincing, to be honest. 150 points. Oh shoot, I'm not even, my algo's not even on. I'll turn that on. I forgot about my quant algo. All right, I might look to enter this. I want this high taken. I think this is gonna be very important to take this high. Turn on my AI. We also close above this base. Nice. You want to see that buy up? That's good. That's not good. We want to see some bullish closes here. Otherwise, we might be headed back down. Bottom of the range. Alright, I think we started to build up supply, guys. I think it kind of looks like I said, like, if we hold up here, it's fine, right? If we hold up here, I think the chances that a lot of the higher time frame candles close bullish is higher. Therefore, you know, we can see that push up. And definitely after the last, especially dude, look at like the 30-minute and the hourly candle. It's hard to think that we're not bullish off of that. We're above VWAP, we're above deviation, we're above value. The only thing is we haven't taken this high, so we have not set a new higher high yet. So that's my only concern and my hesitation to join this long, is that we actually set a new low and we could be setting a new high, a lower high. But the way price action is developing, it looks bullish, right? It looks like we could get some sort of price action like this, but you know, we can easily just get this as well. So I think this scenario is a lot less likely if we're able to close above this high here. Especially get above range high. If you can get above range high, it'd be even better, right? And this base. We have a lot of resistance here, so. There it is. That's the strength that we want to see. It's the exact price action we want to see too. I'm gonna actually start to build out this position. Get in 5. I'm gonna set my stop right below this consolidation. I could get taken out here, so I don't want to risk too much on this trade. But it's looking close to breaking out. So we'll see. We'll see if we get the breakout here. Let's see. Aim for 491. 514. Yeah, around 514 I think would be good. I think we take that high today, guys. If we break out, this would be the trade. Let's see if we can. Nice. That's good buy pressure. I really like that. Let's see if the candle closes like that. There it is. What happened to my order? Did I sell it? No, my... Bro, you gotta be kidding me. I pushed the wrong button. Oh, I'm so sad. I meant to add 5, but I think I took my position out when I sold 5. It's alright. We got high risk, but this is like high confidence trade. I'll still take this. I'll just be really sad if this takes me out. That's it. Bro, that... Oh my god. That might tilt me. Nice, good stuff. That sucks, man. Yeah, honestly, it's fine. User error. That's my bad. I meant to add 5, but I took out my whole position. It's no biggie. It's really not a big deal, but... I might leave this. I'm gonna leave this. I kind of FOMO'd into that entry because I accidentally took out my position. So I'm gonna wait for price to develop a little bit, and if it looks like it's about to pop again, I'll rejoin. It almost looks like it's about to pop again, but let's see if we can retest range high here. Get us a better entry in. But yeah, if you guys are in this trade, I think this is going 514. Like, this is really good price action. Like, if this suddenly drops like 50 points, that's gonna be terrible price action, but so far, looks pretty nice. I'm gonna get my 5 micros back in, $200 risk. Let's see if we can get back up to 514. I don't like these 3 wicks, if I'm honest. I think buyers are still in control. We'll see. Quite unfortunate if I get stopped out of this one. Alright, let's see if we can ride this momentum. Especially if we're building up supply here, we want all of these lows to hold. So pretty much every time you make a new low, you can move your stop up to it, and it should hold if we're building up supply. If we're not building up supply, then it's a different story. But hopefully it won't close the imbalance in the gap. It could. I don't think it's impossible here. But we have a lot of buy pressure, so I felt pretty comfortable entering this, and just kind of assuming that buyers will hold these lows. But we'll see. Let's see how PA develops here. Yeah, it looks great on the 3. Looks great. 1 looks okay. 5 minute looks okay. 5 minute looks like you could retest this, right? Like 29. Let's go, guys. Honestly, we already hit like multiple bangers today. Oh, nice. We're at 30 likes. Let's go, guys. Make sure to like and follow. We're going to give away Lucid Flex accounts today. If we can get to 150 likes, we'll give away 1. If we can get up to 200 likes today, we'll try to give away like 2 to 3 accounts. And we'll be running this giveaway all week. Alright, we're kind of retesting that 29.30 level, and we want to see that bot up. Okay. Alrighty, let's see that bot up now. Nice. We definitely have buy pressure, right? So we just want to see those constant higher highs, higher lows, kind of building up, and then we'll look for that pop. And if it ends up coming down and taking out any of these, including my stop there, then we might be in trouble. And we might be in trouble. Stopped out. Dang, no breakout of this range. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, don't want to break out just yet, I guess. Unless that's just a pullback. Let's see, 15 minutes candle, closing bearish. Yeah. And guys, we have terrible price action. Let's go. Literally said the only thing that will make this price action terrible is if it yoinks us back down. Blue unfunded? Oh damn, dude. Shouldn't probably maybe size down, in my opinion. If you're blowing your fundeds on this type of price action, it's definitely more than likely a size issue. Still got 4 more though. Yeah, be careful on top step, man. They're cracking down on people who are cycling fundeds like that. They don't really like people like blowing up one eval or one funded at a time, trying to make a payout. So, oh, okay, nice. Yeah, I don't know about my funded futures, but I know Top Step is not liking that recently. Yeah, I like my funded futures too, but I'm just a little wary because their sister company went down, their Forex side. They shut down operations apparently, so a little worried about my funded futures in that aspect, but I kind of want to full ports and Apex evals. I blew some Apex fundeds last Friday. I tilted, so I blew like 2 Top Step XFAs and like 5 Apex funded PAs. It was unlucky. Not even unlucky, honestly. It was just dumb of me. I should not have been trading, man. That was just, dude. When you're like, especially when you're going through like life stuff, right? I think it's just better not trade. It's definitely my mistake, but I want to get some Apex PAs back. So, if PA is still Pupakaka in a little while, I might switch over to doing some Apex evals and full porting them on stream with you guys. I did say Kaka. Is your guys' can you guys log into Lucid? I can't log into my Lucid account. Let me know if you guys can log in. I'm trying to check my accounts. I kind of like this PA. Let's see. We just popped right back out into price discovery and we're bouncing off of a key level. So we could be bullish here. Maybe that was just a pretty deep retrace before the long. Let's see. I still want this to come back above a lot of these levels before I take a long. Definitely getting buyers in though, right? Look at that. Yeah, I still can't log into Lucid. Interesting. How can I trade Tradify accounts on TopStep? No, it's a TopStep account, but I'm copy trading to my Tradify evals. What's up with Lucid Trading? I don't know. They're maybe going through some maintenance on their website. I don't know. I'm gonna enter a long here, guys. Stops at around the bottom of this consolidation. Ooh, what was that? It looked really strong. So let's see if we can get continuation up. My target is still 514 and we will be trailing because price action is honestly not the best today. What does it look like on the minute? Minute looks fine. Watch this on the 30. Looks good for long. Gotta be careful at this base. But I still think we're looking good for the long. We got a strong bullish cross here too, so. So that's the base I was talking about. We need to close over this. If we keep rejecting off of this, we can see, I can see it's coming down. So, oh, well, that's kind of what I'm talking about, but it didn't take us out. We had a lot of buyers kind of get us back in. So it's not terrible. Let's see if buyers hold this wick. Ooh, unlucky, Ran. Bro, what is this PA? This is actually so bad. Dang, but we're respecting these bases really well. So maybe might be a limit order type of day. It's definitely not a hold your trades type of day. in my opinion. It is choppy. Yeah, nothing really looks good. No clear signal. It's just kind of choppy. I would say if anything, we're still long. It's just kind of difficult looking for that entry here. I still think we're up. I think we're just building supply for a pop. Bounce right off Asia high. Try for limit here. Do I have OCO on? I don't. It's alright. Yeah, we're kind of bouncing around the second deviation, which is value area high. Value area high is like this right now. So we're just kind of bouncing on it, but I think we're gonna set higher. Lower or higher lows, and I think this is gonna chug up. Oh, I didn't get my entry. You know what? I'm gonna leave this just because the price has been coming down for it, so. Okay, let's see if we can get a rejection off range high, come back here, and then pull up. Oh, we're right at that 400 level we talked about right before stream. Remember how I talked about 400 was that level that we couldn't break? So that makes sense actually. We're just kind of deviating around that 400 level. There it is, tapped in. And set my stop right below. I'm gonna get him 5 bar. We're in about 10 cons. Let's see if this can finally break out. Same target, 514. It's the same trade over and over. We're trying to manage our risk, trying to get into that move. I think this could be it. 15 minutes. So let's see. $4.15 is another level. Oh, that's range high. Okay. Nice. This is a good push, guys. The heck was that? Oops. All right, guys. Let's see if we can hit this 514 level. Or do we get yoinked for like 1,000 points again? We'll see. Let's get some likes on the stream, guys. Bunch of bangers today. Down on the count a little, but it's okay. We're surviving in the chop. How many likes are we at? 37? All right, if we can make it to 150, we'll do the giveaway. We'll do it towards the end of the stream. And if you guys can't stick around to the end of the stream, it's all right. You guys will still be able to get it. But if you guys have to leave like mid-stream or something, join our Discord and drop your name in the chat so I can get your account. Let me send the Discord link. Invite to server, copy. We have a chat called giveaway entry from stream. Just put your name in there after you like and follow. That's only if you have to leave, so. And you can't stick around. Alright, this is a break even. Let's see if this wants to whip us out again. How unfortunate. Bro, what the heck is this, man? Still bullish. Very unfortunate, but we are above value here. We just bounced off of value. Let's see. Value is kind of sitting like this, and honestly, as long as we're kind of chilling above it, it's fine. But if you keep on coming below it, it's not fine. You can get in a position. I still like this area being held and us still building up supply to the upside. I think it's just gonna be choppy, but I do want to see this still. That candle close above. I mean, these lows are holding pretty well. So as long as these hold, you know, we're gonna see eventually buyers win out. But the moment like when these lows start folding, you probably don't want to be in the trade anymore, which is why my stop's gonna be here. I think once this low goes, I don't really want to be in this trade anymore. We could possibly see lower prices. But yeah, I want to see range high taken. Dude, like, this price action is so choppy, man. Prop take the lows. Yeah, I mean, I think that's valid. We could definitely take these lows. But we're riding value area high right now. So I want to try to stay above if we can. And prices, like, buyers are fighting to not close within value. We haven't closed within value on anything higher than the 15-minute in the past like hour. So we keep on going into value, but we buying right out of it. Like value area looks like this right now, right? We're just bouncing off of value. And the moment we start like actually like staying in here for an extended period of time, you can probably see that drop. But the fact that we're bouncing off of it is a good sign of us being bullish. So I'm more inclined to think that this is gonna go long, but the moment we do start auctioning within value, I will, you know, probably just flip my bias. Still testing the algo? Oh yeah, I am. I haven't looked at it. Algo says long. Honestly, the algo could be pretty good today. The algo is really good during kind of choppier sessions, I think. Because I think it puts a decent weight on mean reversion. So during like choppy markets, it's not too bad. So I don't know, we'll see. It told us to long back here. So I'm kind of waiting for a next signal. We'll wait on it. Yeah, 15-minute plus, still buying back out of value. I would say though, without looking at value, this looks bearish. But the fact that we're able to see where value is, I'm not too bearish on it. Yeah, market's pretty imbalanced though, unfortunately. Let's see who wins. I really want buyers to win. Can get this push up here. The long is not looking good, part of your trace deeper. Yeah, I would have to agree with you that it's not looking great. Now it's looking fantastic. Let's go. I've got more in. We're in 10 micros, $250 risk. Risk is tight. As soon as we take range high, and honestly, if we can, yeah, honestly, as soon as we take range high, I'm gonna set this break even. Maybe with how the market's been acting today, it might be just smart to set a break even now, but we'll see. Yeah, buyers are just not letting this go back into value. So we either like squeeze out all the buyers Like shorts squeeze out all the buyers by just selling this down, or we're off to higher prices, honestly. Literally one or the other, right? Or we just range here the whole day, which I guess is a possibility. The algo is neutral right now, which is not a good sign. But like I said, like this overall distribution pattern is bullish. I just don't know how it's gonna go up, but it's gonna chop and go up, in my opinion. And I would say this is a pretty fair bull flag. I think we can see this push up. Only concern is that it's just been really choppy today, right? And we're definitely on the other side of the mean. Like we're chopping around the space. Like for sure, we're chopping around it. We're chopping around the second deviation too, the value area looks like. That's value right now, this line. All right, let's see if we can eat. I'm gonna set and break even. This choppy market. We're at this base again. We gotta hold this. I'll be honest, this looks like the push up. But so did this, and this, and this. So we'll see. Let's see if we can take this. No, not again. Please. Please, I beg you. Please, thank you. Come on, buyers. Play some defense here. Play some defense. We can hold range highs. Looks like those red candles are so strong. Which red candles? I don't know. The way I'm viewing the market right now is just the way it's auctioning, and I'll show you guys on different chart here. No way. Wait, hold on. I'll show you guys in a second. Bro, and we're back under. Remember, this is low that we gotta hold. Holy bro, what a trash market. What is this? Dude, maybe we're short. It's respecting these bearish bases so well. And let me show you guys on the other chart what I was talking about. The reason I was long on this is because, like, dude, buyers are not letting this auction auction within value. When you see that, oftentimes, like more often than not, it's really, really bullish or very, very bearish. Like for example, this, you know, buyers are not letting it auction within, you get a huge drop. Buyers are not letting it auction within, you get a huge pump. So I'm seeing something similar here. But man, this is a choppy market. And it's like we're down here, but I don't think buyers are gonna let this close within value again. But maybe they will. Who knows? Man. Yeah, seeing the push up again. Yeah, dude, buyers are just not letting this within value. But someone's got to lose here. The buyers finally lose. That's pretty bearish. Oh yeah. Can we hold this low? Does it pop back up? What do buyers want to do? Yeah, buyers might be losing. We're hanging out in value a little too long. I think buyers are losing, guys. I'm getting into a short here. Stop is right above. We'll leave it up above here. This is gonna be kind of tight stop. We got a key level right here though, so. Low risk. If we're down, I target this. Yeah, the longer we hang out here, the more bearish it is. How many points of a drop is this? 40 points? Nice. Nice. Dang, I wanted to get more in. There's drop. I'm gonna set this break even. This is still my target. We're right at VWAP. 325. This could definitely go lower, but we are at VWAP right now, so we'll see. Yeah, I think we can grab this. Please. Please don't yoink me. I'll put it into profit. My goodness, dude. Oh, man. Okay. Do we continue bearish distribution here, or are we bullish? Let's see. Looks like we're bullish, guys. We take this trade. This is one of our setups. Usually this is very bullish. On a day like today, who knows what it is? Literally could be anything today. Just look like on the one looks fine too. Ideally we leave this imbalance here. 30 seconds left on the 1 minute candle. And we do not leave the imbalance. Do we leave this imbalance? We do not leave that imbalance. That's not good. That is not good at all. We'll keep our stop here. We'll see if it holds. Move it up just a tad. And we're taken out. Yeah, this is just a trappy market, guys. That was really bullish. That was like really bearish and it trapped shorts. Really bullish, trapping longs. Yeah, this is probably the worst market of February so far. I'm surprised I'm still break even with this PA. Yeah, I mean, risk management's the name of the game, man. If you're breaching accounts on days like this, then you probably won't hold on to your funded accounts too long, and it's like really difficult to make it to payouts. You got to be able to survive through PA like this. Is this alive? No, it's not alive, but it's a XFA. It's a funded account. This looks long. I'm in. I think I'm gonna be quicker with my targets, but I am looking probably towards range high for my target here. Dang, that looked really strong too. Unfortunate. It's looking really weak now. Let me look at this on the one. The one looks fine. $392. $393. Dang, I think I get stopped out of this. I have a key level at 393, right where it couldn't close above. I should have seen that. Yeah, stopped out. Oh boy. Alright, it might be just an eval angle, guys. I don't know about this market. Man, that looks short now. But then if I go short here, I feel like it's gonna yoink on me. Right? Yeah, look at that. That's crazy, dude. Now it looks long. Is it gonna yoink longs again? Yeah, I wanted 10 micros because this looked really nice. Got a clear break structure. Yeah, honestly, it looked like supply buildup. It looked like it was popping, but trap me. Right? Like I would have wanted to long this again too, but we can't break this 393 level. Is it possible to trade Lucid on Project X? No, but kind of. I'm trading Project X like Top Step, but I'm copy trading it to my Lucid accounts and my Tradeify accounts, etc. using a trade copier. So that's kind of the loophole, I guess you can say. Bro, I was literally just about to enter that short. I'll just give us a retrace. Tag me in. 150 to that high. I think that's valid. I think we could see range lows, but dude, PA like today, I'm just gonna take profits here. Like if it even allows me to hit this. Do I get yoinked? My risk is low, about 120. If this is gonna go, I wanna like drop right now. We're right at VWAP, so I wanted this to flip it if we're bearish here. Come on, sellers. I believe you can do it. It might be it, guys. This market's not for me. This market is not for me. market is wild, you guys. This market just do the opposite? Yeah, actually. Actually, bro. Like, I'm gonna short this. You guys can do the opposite of me. But I'm short. I'm short 10 contracts here. We've been respecting bases so well today. I think this one might respect it too. Nope. Alright. That was my last trade, guys. That was my last trade. I'm stressed. Alright, let's fire up some evals. It's an eval type of day. You know what? It was bound to happen. Honestly, dude, the last like 5-6 days of February have been like pristine, so we're bound to get some chop. Definitely this week, pre-CPI, we're bound to get chop, so. Man, I'm still short on this. All right, last try. $75 risk. I am lowering my risk because this market is not happy with me. I'm gonna put out $100 risk actually, right above this high here. And if we pop up, then we pop up, and I literally just can't trade this market. I want this base to hold. We're setting lower lows, lower highs. This looks like bearish distribution as well, right? Bearish distribution, boom. Bearish distribution, this should hold, right? We're literally setting price action like this. I should do this and pop down. All right, I'm serious, that was my last one. All right, let me get some Apex evals. Holy yikes, bro. What the heck is this? Dude, we should have probably got the hints after this. My god. Yeah, I'm done on this XFA for today. We will hop over to some evals. Let me grab some Apex evals. Give me a second, guys. Oh man, I can already see all the VWAP traders just raging today. Just like me, man. Honestly. I'm still very short on this market. I can't trade this chop. I don't know. Like, it's not, like, it was respecting levels really well. Now it's not respecting levels when I try to trade off of them. But regardless, like, this price action looks very short. I even tried to set a wider stop here and it still took me out. So I don't know. I can't trade this. So it's better for me to just hop off And yeah, we'll see if we can maybe pass some evals today. Dude, if it wants to work. Give me a second, guys. Holy, yeah, what is this PA? Random 40-point wick. Nah, dude. Nah, dude, nah. Get out, guys. Get out of this market, guys. It's not worth it. Stick to evals, stick to paper trading. This market's gonna blow your account up, I swear. Oh, they changed the color. Need to change this. MISC. Let's go blue. Maybe it's a lighter blue. I'll try that. There you go. That's closer, right? No worries, guys. Honestly, risk management, name of the game. We went like, I mean, what was our win rate today? 47%. And wait, that doesn't seem right. Oh, that's my total PNL. Okay. Oh, the day win rate. Okay. Yeah, like 30% win rate. We're down 1,000. Honestly, that's pretty bad. But we're surviving. That's what matters, guys. What did Wally say about the market? Let's see what Wally said. Oh, bro, Wally saw that drop coming. Oh, Wally sees another bigger drop coming. I'm telling you, Wally's right. Wally's in line with my bias too here. Oh, that's better. Wally's saying short it, and I was down to short this too, so. It's right at this level. This is the level that I was talking about. Like, we need to break this. If we break this, we could be long. But I think if we don't break this, I think Wally's correct. Yeah, and I think we could be trapping buyers here again. Like, this is starting to look bullish, but we're not claiming key levels. But I don't care. I'm off this account. Screw it. Let me load up some more evals. Oh shoot, the Wally prediction, guys. Dang, what a trap. That's crazy, man. Yeah, Wally's kind of goated, honestly. Look at this. What points is that? 31 points. $30-minute looks good? Oh yeah. I mean, I wouldn't say it looks good, but we are creating lower highs and lower lows, but we're still not able to break VWAP here. We're bouncing off of VWAP. It's just like, it's printing doji after doji. So the market's just in a range, market's undecided. But I think if anything, we're like, I was looking short. Like after this broke down here, like before this, I was looking long, right? Because we're bouncing off of value. But the moment we broke down here, like your buy should instantly like flip short. And I was looking for shorts here, I just couldn't find the entry. Holy, dude, Wally is like an actual genius. What the heck? That's crazy, bro. Dang, it hit TP. Guys, if you want to try this, code JMK will get you a discount on this. It's eigenstate.app. This is actually pretty nice. I'm still forward testing it, so try it at your own discretion. But so far, it's been okay. It's been pretty good. And up again, yeah. It looks like bearish distribution. If I was trading this, I'd short this right here. I would have shorted up here, kind of towards Asia high. But since I would have done that, this is probably gonna yoink up. So don't short it, guys. There's the yoink. Hello, guys. I'm trying to load up some more evals. Just taking a moment. What the heck? It might do that a couple of times. Insufficient disk space. We're not gonna. I honestly don't even want to trade evals in this PA, but we'll do it. I'll do it for you guys. Make sure to like and follow, please. Guys, please do it for me. Oh God. Like and follow. We'll do a giveaway at 150 likes. Unless I tilt out of my mind today. Ugh. God. So much pressure while trading live. I mean, that's true. I definitely trade a lot better when I'm not trading live, but gotta do what you gotta do. Oh yeah, no, this market is terrible, man. But it, like I said, if anything, I short it. Like now, the market has no signs of being bullish. But I guess knowing today's price action, that could be a sign to go long. I don't know. I really don't know, man. But if anything, I personally want to short this, so I'll take that into consideration. What is the quant algo saying to do, Jungo? Let me see. He's saying short it. It's targeting. Oh, it's targeting my key level. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, it's saying short it down to my key level. want to short this so bad. I'm finding every urge to not join this short. Dang, I hit my target too on my short here. Stop me out. I think I shorted like this. That's unfortunate. This is taking every fiber of my being to not short this. Whoops. No, I can't leave it up. Or can I? How many points is that? 67 points. I might try this, guys. No, never mind. It's gonna yoink me, dude. I gotta stop. Alright, let me get these accounts set up. Bro, I think this, if I wasn't streaming, I think I'd just be off the computer. I think being on the computer is just making me want to trade this so bad. Alright, give me a second. This is like giving me issues. Give me a second, I gotta log in. I'm gonna short it. I'm taking it down. I'm setting this break even. There we go. I can't lose, guys. We did it. Alright, make sure to like and follow. We'll do a Lucid giveaway today. How many likes we're at? 45 likes. You know, that's fair. We didn't really hit the bangers today, so I understand, guys. I understand. It stopped you out like 5 times before it dropped to your target. You can still lose your mind with this PA, yeah. Honestly, bro. I have to like, I'm gonna pretend like I don't care, so it drops. You have to look away from the charts, guys. Hold on, I'm getting some evals set up right now. Dude, honestly, prop firm should make it so you can buy multiple evals at the same time. I don't know, you gotta do it one at a time. Damn, I looked. Alrighty, so I'm gonna probably start up a new combine and then use that combine to copy trade to my evals. Is the goal. No, the volatility was, this is like crazy volatile. It's not, I mean, it's good if you're scalping. It's not good for trend trading. And I am a trend trader, so this is just like not ideal for me. But yes, who said that? Whoever said that is right. Probably just better to scalp out this market. Or just not trade it, honestly. My edge isn't really like working too well, so. Tilt trigger engaged. Yeah. Valid, bro. That's a valid tilt trigger. All right, let me set up my. I got my evals. Let me set up my copy trader, and then we will get this moving. Sorry for the delay, my friends. Very, very sorry for the delay. Meanwhile, 50 likes, nice, we're going up. Thanks for the likes, guys. I do appreciate it. And token appreciation, we'll do a giveaway at 150 likes. I know we can make it. We got really close yesterday, so we can do it. And quick side note, I will only be on stream for maybe like 2 more hours. I do have to head out for a quick meeting, so let's try to get it done before then, if we can. Connections. All right, give me a second, guys. It's gonna disconnect my top step once I try to hook up. Oh, dang. I was actually looking for that short. Once I try to hook up my copy trader. So give me 1 second. It up. This is the only thing bad about this copy trader is that you have to like manually hook it up every time. So alrighty. Why won't you work? Bruh. Sign in. Okay. Full screen. Alrighty. There we go. Let me set this up on the Discord as well. Which one is it? Okay. Set up my copy trader. It's the leader. Okay, we're back. Oh, interesting. I was not expecting this push up. Let's see. Let me reset the algo. See what it says. It still likes the short. Has an even lower target now. When was the last time this was updated? Oh, it just updated like a minute ago, 2 minutes ago. Could be short trigger. Oh shoot, sorry guys, I don't have the, wait, is it ready? Oh, never mind, you guys can see the screen. I'm gonna try the short. Go back to the 1 minute. I do want to target range low. That'll probably be my TP1. But let's see if we can break down, honestly. I think it's possible. It's either we break down here or we're up from here. So I think this is a good, almost like a pivot point to either make or break a long or short. All right, let's see if we can get this move. Oh, this is more than consistency. Let's see if we can get this move. It's not even that many points. Never mind, that's a lot of points. 77 points. Actually, I'm gonna leave it down here because I'm probably gonna take partials. Probably take 3 off here. See if we can let the rest run. I think this was a good retrace into that short that we're looking for. Testing Asia high. Like, look how many times we tested Asia high. We just can't break it. So this is definitely a key level. I might even just label it as key level instead. I mean, it's easier. And watch this on 30. we're starting to, so we like broke structure and we're starting to trade outside of value. So this could be very bullish, I mean, sorry, very bearish. But this is also kind of a point where I think it could possibly yoink us, right? If buyers want to hold value bottom. So I'm gonna set this break even. What's it look like on the 15? I think this could take out my stop and continue. Still looks super bearish though. So I still be fishing for shorts, but I might get stopped out of this before it honestly continues, so. Level. Oh, yup. My copy trader working. It is, okay. I think it takes me out. I just passed the 5-day consistent rule. How long does it take for payout requests to appear? Are you on Top Step? What firm are you on? I think Top Step, it used to be intraday whenever it updated, but I heard they changed it, so it's end of day now. Yeah, you probably gotta wait till the end of the trading day, so like, probably like 6 p.m. Eastern. Stopped out. Alright, stopped out break even. No worries. Yeah, I think if buyers want to hold, this is where they want to hold, right? We're back at the bottom of value now. But also, this is where I was wanting to look for a short earlier. These bases have been holding pretty well all day. Might have not been a bad entry. I'm gonna get in for 5. Let's see if this base could hold. If this base holds, I think we definitely at least hit this. But we'll see if we can ride this lower, and we'll either add or pick off some from this position. We'll see. How do you determine bases? Bases are just support and resistance. I like to use the one that is like the last one before the sweep. I think this is the most confluent, but it's just support and resistance. I got more into this. Starting to look pretty weak. Bunch of levels. Got a bunch of levels. Got a break value here. Struggling to break value. There it is. We're getting out of value again. Trying to buy it up, but I don't know. Will they succeed in buying up? Bro, buyers, just give up. Please, buyers, just give up, man. It's not worth it. It's not worth it, bro. You're waiting for the rocket launch? Aw, dude, please don't say that. Please, man, I need one. I need one today, man. Break even. Let's see if we can take off a couple contracts here. This eval, yeah, this is an eval. I'm copy trading to a few more evals here. We're running like 3 evals. 3 evals in this really bad chop. Alright, come on sellers. Nice. Might finally be getting the move. PA is looking really weak. I hope it doesn't rocket on me, like someone said. I'd probably cry. I'll cry on stream. Nice. TP1 done, guys. So that's covering fees on this trade. And then I'm gonna set this break even and we'll see if we can write it down to this low. And we'll just be trailing our stop, especially around some of these key levels, so. We will see, guys. But we're in price discovery, so can it yoink here? It absolutely can yoink here. But we are praying it doesn't. Ooh, that might yoink. Dang, 5 minutes cannot break that level. But we did close below value. It's not enough for me to exit this position, but definitely I want to stay break even. Alright. Well, could have been worse. Could have been worse. Yeah, buyers could be back here. Like we're doing the same thing that we were doing at the top of the value. We're like going back and forth on it, so it might be pretty choppy here. Or we found bottom. It's kind of one or the other, in my opinion, because we did just hit range bottom. price wants to retest VWAP here. Like buyers have bought it back into value. So now we're auctioning back in value. We can see retest on some of these levels such as, you know, VWAP, any of these EMAs. Yeah, buyers are kind of back in. Key level 362. Key level and VWAP are kind of around the same level. So maybe reject off this again. Yeah, or maybe we go back to the top of the range. Go back to the range, it'll be up here. I think if we flip VWAP, that could be a valid trade. Take a long up. Range high, yeah, 416. I wouldn't say I'm convinced on the long until we really take VWAP. But at the same time, even if we take it, I'm not super convinced on the long either way, if I'm honest. They unbanned me on, yeah, they unbanned me on Top Step. I gave them proof I wasn't hedging, and then they unbanned me. Dude, imagine if I didn't have proof, like. It's crazy, man. I don't know. Dude, Top Step, I'm only using them for Project X. Like, I don't even care if I'm funded on them. Like, I think they're just gonna deny payouts anyways. I'm literally just using them for Project X, so I don't even care if it's XFA, Combine. I'm just using them for Project X. I'll probably use their brokerage when it comes out, so I can use Project X instead of buying evals. Yeah, I sent them my YouTube link, and then I also sent them screenshots of my trade history. I had no trades during the time, so I don't know. I don't know, man. It's kind of sketchy. I was a big Top Step fan, but I'm leaning away from them now, so. Yeah, guys, I think, yeah, exactly. I wasn't even trading futures 6 months ago, so I don't know. All right, we're right at VWAP. So if we flip this, I'm gonna look long. Let me turn on VWAP on this. Gotta like make sure it calculates though. So we're right at VWAP. I don't know if this pops. Dang, we have buy pressure. I don't know if it's enough. They want their own brokers, they're going to get regulated, so I have a feeling their whole business get audited. Yeah, it's possible. They get my Forex funds, you know. Alright guys, I'm going to be looking along. Oh. I'm in. Got a live buy pressure here. Let's see if we can keep this momentum up. What the heck? Is this even range high? Oh, it is. That's weird. Nice. That's buy pressure. I'm doubling up. Alright, let's see if we can break VWAP here. Yeah, we got volume coming in. Come on, buyers. You can win. Come on, just one trade. One single trade for your boy. I gotta check out some levels here. Hoping this doesn't tag me out while I'm not looking. We won't look, guys. Mark you. Mark you. You range high. Oh, let's go. Recalculate VWAP. Okay. All right, longs above VWAP are valid. See, we need to break above. Oh, it's this high. Yeah. Whoops. Gotta close above this. All right, buyers. I got more in. I'm gonna take off 5 here at this base. We're on eval, so we're sizing a little stronger. So bearish bases have been respected pretty much all day. We got a bearish base here. It's the same exact one. So we gotta be careful here. So I'm watching. Let's close. I want to close above that, ideally, on the minute. The minute has 10 seconds left, so we got time. Nuke incoming? Bro, stop. Bro, let me get one. Dude, I just want one, please. Why do you have to say that, man? I'm gonna set this break even. You scared me. You've absolutely frightened me. Alright, we're actually near value area high and key level, which is at 393, which is also around our bases. So, yeah, we'll look to take off 5 here and then trail the rest. You agree nuke incoming? Yeah, I'm not against it. I'm really not against a nuke incoming, but I would say I'm more long biased. You know, I don't even have a bias in this market. Today is like a non-biased, just trade what's given to you type of day. Because your bias is going to be like kicked to the curb, honestly. Alrighty, we're closing above some good levels. Got another level incoming here, 393. That's fine. Close above, retest. This stop me out. Maybe. Is this the nuke? All right, stopped out. I think break even. Up $50. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Is this even a key level? This get moved around. What's going on, man? Honestly, I kind of still like this long. We're breaking structure on the 5, and we're retesting. Oh yeah, it's going. Bro, I can't catch break today. I literally can't catch a break today, man. What the heck? Crazy. No worries. Let's see how the 5 closes. I think this could still be up. That doesn't look too promising, actually. But I guess it could close bullish. Bouncing off VWAP. Do we hold VWAP? That's kind of the question here, right? Sorry, I have to like recalculate the VWAP every time you change time frames. I'm getting it long. Let's see if buyers can hold VWAP. I'm game for longs above VWAP, so let's see if buyers can hold. Range high would still be my ultimate target. Yeah, we're unable to close below VWAP, which is a good sign. We got, what, 50 seconds left on the 5. Let's see if the 5 can close above VWAP. I haven't checked. How many likes are we at? We're getting close to doing the giveaway. Let's see. 60 likes, 130 viewers, guys. If we can get to 150 likes, we will do our giveaway. Still holding VWAP. See if buyers are in control. I think this next 15-minute candle is going to be pretty crucial. So 4 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. I think this 15-minute candle is gonna give us some direction. I might want to be out of this trade until then. Let me see. And it's trying. 3.5 minutes left. What level is that? 367. That's like right where it's at. It has to close above 367 and ideally above its previous 15-minute high at 370. Let's see if we can get 370. Looking a little weak. This could really go either way. I'm more inclined to think this is going long, just because we're above VWAP. Our EMAs are about to flip. We broke structure to the upside. So I'm looking long here, but this could just be also a trap. We've been trapping people all day today. Let's see, 124 people watching, and we're at 63 likes. 9:30 or 12:30. All right, guys, I'll be online for about another hour and a half. Let's try to do the giveaway before then. Just make sure to like and follow. That's all you got to do, and you'll be entered in. looks like bulls are winning, but it's really hard to tell until some of these candles close. Rejection off that base. I'm gonna set this break even. I think it's fine if I get stopped out. I'd rather get stopped out of this trade and then look for a new entry because it's not it. I'm just right in the middle of this chop, so. And especially before the candle is closed, there could be some sort of volatility. And yeah, I mean, if it's volatile and goes up, that's good. If it comes down, I guess stopped out, break even. All right, and stopped out. Minute candle closed bearish. Alrighty, I think we might be going down, guys. That was not a good close on the 15-minute candle. Try to get into this cell. Get me in. Try to get 10 cons in if it taps me in. Perfect. Alright, we need to flip VWAP again. And then, what level are we? 334. We're not looking for too much here. I'm looking for 334. VWAP's calculated. Okay. All right, retest. Let's see if we can break through. $1,300 times 5 account. Let's go, dude. Thank you, JMK. Yeah, absolutely, man. I don't think I helped today, but congrats, man. That's all you. Def long, in your opinion? Yeah, I think your opinion may be correct here. Personally, I was just looking at the 15-minute candle. It didn't break any levels. So I was not really particularly bullish, but I think you may be right. This sort of price action is very bullish. So I'll be looking to get out of this. Might just flatten it here. This market's giving us some retraces, but it's not going to give us it when we need it. Is it? All right, we'll get out. I think you're absolutely right. This is not a market to short. was above this on the 5. Let's set the 15. Make sure VWAP is calculated. You gotta like scroll back to calculate VWAP on top stub. Just kind of weird, but all right. We're just kind of squished between two levels. This range is not. It's a good 20-point range too. Yeah, honestly, I don't really have a bias on this. I have like bearish and bullish confluences, so I'm probably gonna sit out to see what we get. Key level, yeah. Oh, there it is. It's breaking down. I'm gonna try to short it here. Oh, what was that? More buyers now? I don't know. It looks short to me. It looked like we were flipping VWAP, but we might be holding it. I don't know, price looked like it was weakening to me, so I wanted to short this. I was not particularly bullish on this move, but looks like we're just in some chop. I think I've flattened this, honestly. I think I get out. I don't like it. Calculate the VWAP, get back. Just can't trade breakouts today, man. Try long it off VWAP again, but we just wait. I want it to break VWAP, and then I want to short it. Oh, bro. What a market. I think we're holding VWAP pretty well. So I am more inclined to start taking longs now. But we need like a clear break. Like we're not getting good like break of structure. I think at this point, I want to know like on the 15-minute chart. I think if it's not on the 15, it's just like not confluent enough. Like at least the 15. That's actually not, it's looking pretty strong. We need to break this. Two. We definitely have buyers coming in. I don't know, do we get absorbed here? This is a pretty critical level we need to break. We just have not been able to break this. Like we're above VWAP. Looks like we're building supply. 5-minute looks like a bull flag. 15-minute looks really strong. There's a lot of confluences for longs, but we could just be trapping again. Oh, yep, look at that trap. Does that get bought up? Buyers stand your ground. Yeah, buyers are here. It's not enough though. Come on, buyers. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Get a close above this, and then I'm gonna look long. Alright. I'm looking long. I want top of range high, but we do have levels here that we need to break through. Am I trapped? I may have been trapped again. Let's see. $20 seconds left on 5. Five doesn't look terrible. Come on, buyers. $392. Add some more cons in. $92, $93. $430. We're at top of value, so we're gonna get some sort of resistance here along with these bases. This is a good area for rejection. Let's see if buyers can blast through. I'm just gonna trail. If we get rejected here, I'll just get stopped out. That's fine. I want to see if buyers can kind of take control here. If not, we honestly could be back to the bottom of the range. Come on. Let's go. That's what you want to see, guys. I'm out, made my day. See you. Sounds good, man. Congrats. Yeah, inverse head and shoulders, yeah. Right here, right? See that? Getting a little sell-off here. Let's see if buyers can recover. Honestly, I think buyers could be in control here, but we gotta blast through this. This is value area high. Come on, buyers. Nice. Buyers look strong. 4 second. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Ugh, that's not good. Man, right before the candle closed, kind of yoinked. All right, and stop down. Bro. That's crazy stuff, man. Dang, buyers just instantly come back. Trying this level again. I think we might be able to break out this time. Let's see if we can break out this time. Come on, that looks strong. I'm gonna get more in. Come on, buyers, buy it up. Let's go. I'm in 30 cons, micros. Let's see if we can get that blast off here. It's now or never. If we get rejected here again at the end of the hourly, dude, I think we're all the way back down to like 330. And then we'd be all the way back down here if we can't blast off right now. Come on. Come on, buyers. Dude, where are the buyers at, man? They're literally just here. Come on, buyers. They've left the chat, guys. Oh, man. You gotta be kidding me. That's crazy work. Unfortunate. Yeah, no breakouts at all today. Alright guys, it's not working for me. I'm gonna blow more evals trying to trade this. It's probably better for me to just call it a day. Alrighty, I'm gonna be off, guys. Not the best trading day, but it's fine. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get better PA. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.